Last week messed around and got a triple-double. I guess Pippen is easy. All right, guys, I'm sorry. I'll go after that one. Even I have to admit that one was terrible. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Soul Post, and this is another Soul Post unboxing. Today, we take a look at the Nike Air Maestro 2 Art of a Champion Trifecta. Now, this shoe is part of the Art of a Champion collection, and this is the third shoe we've done so far. So yeah, third shoe. I actually couldn't get the Kawhi Leonard pair, and most of the Converse releases nobody really is pressed about. Like, they're selling out. The Dr. J pair sold out, and I assume when this pair drops, the Kevin McHale pair will have also sold out. But I don't know. I'm just not here for the appeal for the, or also the Bill Russell pair. But yeah, I'm not here for the appeal of Converse shoes. This shoe pays homage to Game 2 of the NBA Finals, where Scottie Pippen notched a triple-double, becoming the 12th player in NBA history to do so in an NBA Finals game, to give the Bulls a 2-0 lead. I don't know why they chose this colorway of the Air Maestro 2, because this is the All-Star pair from 1994, a year after the NBA Finals in 1993. Pippen wore a black and white colorway for the majority of the Sun series, and he switched out for a white, red, and black pair as well, but he never wore the red and black pair. Like, he debuted this colorway at All-Star Game. I don't know what Nike's doing with the Art of a Champion pack. It seems like they're just making it up as they go along right now. They could have chose, any one of the Pippen colorways, or something else that he did in one of, or the I would have really liked the Flight 89. If they came out with the Flight 89 high, even though they didn't win a championship that year, Kobe didn't win a championship with the Kobe 1 Pro Show. So, I mean, what are we really doing here? Another thing that I have a problem with, it wasn't always 16 wins. There was only, I know that there was only 3 wins that you needed to get to the next round. And then before that, there was only 3 rounds of the playoffs. It was the first round, the conference finals, and then the finals, hence Moses Malone's fo. That's not 16 wins. That's either 12 wins or 15 wins. It's not 16. But again, Nike's making it up as they go along on this one. But I am excited that the shoe is coming back in its original form, so I can switch out with the Kith pair sometimes as well. Now let's take a look at the box. The box has the 16 hash marks for Think 16, which was the original name of the shoe. And it's got the Nike swoosh right on the side panel. And the color code for the shoe is University Red, White, and Black. Also in the shoe, you've got a gold card that says 16, the number of playoff wins standing between every player today and their ultimate goal of becoming a champion. Just as every champion that came before them, achieving the game's highest honor requires becoming obsessive over a finite number of wins. This shared instinctual mindset becomes a catalyst for each player's celebrated transformation into a champion, an approach that paves the way for iconic career-defining moments powerful enough to transcend the game and fuel the evolution of culture. The Champions Think 16 collection honors the collective mentality shared by the game's greatest competitors, the moments synonymous with their greatness, and the pivotal role Nike Inc. played in cementing each champion's proven place in history. And it's got the 16 hash marks on the front, and it's got the 16 hash marks on the front, and on the back side, it's got the 3 logos, the Jordan, Converse, and Nike logo, as well as the association on the bottom. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe has a black base. This is a suede base with red leather detailing going around and taking up the majority of the shoe. Getting into the toe, you've got a red leather toe cap, and a red leather toe box with perforations right on the toe cap. You've got red laces, no aglets, just regular plastic aglets, so there's nothing really special about these. And you've got the black neoprene and suede detailings going up the shoe for the eyelets. Also, you've got the Flight logo in red and white. On the inside of the shoe, you've got the Think 16 logo, which is the 16 with the hash mark going through it. The insole also has the 16 logo, as well as the association on the left insole. So the left insole has the association logo, and the right shoe has the Think 16 logo with the hash marks. Moving towards the heel, you've got the red panels, as well as the black suede base. Also, you've got the Larry O'Brien hang tag and the white Nike swoosh, and this is a leather Nike swoosh. Moving towards the heel, you've got a red suede heel that actually starts with this panel right here where the Nike swoosh is, and it extends all the way around to the other side. You've got a red suede heel with black suede contrasting it, and a red Nike swoosh right in the center. Also, you've got a black pull tab. Getting into the medial, you have, like I said, the suede extending around the shoe. You've got the white leather swoosh, same as the lateral. Also, you've got the red leather overlay as well as the black suede base. The midsole has the Air Maestro's funky design with the Air logo right by the heel. A black outsole with white Nike swooshes and the red detailing all around the shoe. Honestly, I'm not quite sure why they chose this colorway of the Air Maestro. I assume because the black and white pair wouldn't have had the same resonating feeling as the All-Star pair would have. But you can't just cheat and cut corners. Like that's not an art of a champion. Like that's twice you've done that now, Nike. You did that with the Kobe 1 Pro Trail where he didn't win the championship that year. Now you're doing it with the Air Maestro with a colorway he didn't wear in the finals and has a significant moment on his own with the All-Star game. We all know, you know what I think of when I think of the red All-Star pair? I think of Scottie Pippen going ham in the All-Star game, going ham that season. That's what I think of when I think of the Air Maestro 2. I don't really think of the 1993 finals. But I am happy that they brought this colorway back though, all things aside, because as I've said before, Scottie Pippen is one of my favorite basketball players of all time. I don't know, I guess I'll just pick up another pair depending on how limited this shoe is. Like if it's generally available, I'll definitely pick up another pair. I have no problem buying multiple pairs of his shoes. Except for the Pippen 3. I don't want too many more of those. Like I don't need the Pippen 3 and the Pippen 4. I'm not big fans of those. The Pippen 1, the Pippen 2, the Air Maestro, the Air More of Tempo. The Pippen 5 I actually really liked as well. I'm rambling. Anyways, let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Air Maestro 2 Trifecta hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 10th for a retail price of $140. Alright everyone, this has been another Soul Post unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Soul Post channel. Check out soulpost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here. I'm John for Soul Post. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.